So I've got the Samsung Galaxy S25 and I'll be showing you how to connect wired headphones. So you might find yourself in a situation where you have some very high quality wired headphones that you like and you want to listen to music, but the problem is the S25 and S25 Ultra do not have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, or rather port where you can put in 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So if you really want to use your headphones, then you can go and get yourself an adapter. So there's an adapter like this one, which is a 3.5 millimeter port and a Type-C connector, so that you can connect the headphones into this adapter like this, and then the other end into the Type-C port of your phone. And once you do that, now when you want to listen to music or watch a movie, you can actually go ahead and put on your wired headphones and listen to music. Now, if you want to, you can go even one step further and use a different type of dongle. All right. Now, if you want to connect your headphones and still charge, then you can use this dongle. This one lets you connect like that, but then it also lets you connect a Type-C charger on this other side. So once you connect this end, that connects both the headphones and the charger. So you can actually use wired headphones at the same time charging your Galaxy S25. All right. Now I'll leave these two dongles linked in the description so you can check them out. They're very useful and they let you connect your wired headphones or earphones to your Samsung Galaxy S25. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section and I will talk to you there or in the next video. Good luck.